Okay, so I am doing a widescreen one this time. I got two new friends. Two 200-watt speakers. Soon I'm gonna get EOWS 612 style horns. So the circular ones, sort of like this one, but bigger. These are currently configured for dual tone, and they are running at 100 watts each. So this is a combined power of 200 watts, but this has the ability to do 400 watts. I just don't have a 400 watt amp with me right now. I'm going to be doing all signals. This is loud, really loud. So I'm going to be plugging my ears and stuff. But this is probably the loudest electronic siren that I've home built. Definitely the loudest. But yeah, enough of me talking. Alert. Well, actually, no, chimes. Chimes first. Let's do chimes first. Steady. Something fell over? Whatever. Whale. Alternate steady or high-low. Alternate whale. Pulsed steady. Pulsed whale. And one more cycle of chimes. There we have it.